streaming. Hello and welcome to Saturday stream. Now, this is just a test stream. I'm not prepared, just fiddling with the connections and equipments. Okay, so this looks fine for now. And as I said, not a prepared one. But what I'll try to do is let's make an animation. Let me switch to a composite screen. Yeah. So this is DaVinci Resolve 17. Just go with an untitled project. And timeline 1, I'll just call it subs animation. Audio tracks not needed. And let's go with 1920, 1080, 30 FPS. Create. Okay, now here all the pages are not visible. That's because I chose not to show some of them. Color and Fairlight also not needed. Yeah, just to declutter. Now if I switch to Fusion directly and let's say just drag this, what will happen is a media out node will be created automatically, and if I go back to my edit page, you'll find that this Fusion composition is created automatically. Here's the camera, sorry. Now if this is confusing, what you can do is go to effects and Fusion composition, just drag and drop, and then you can create a Fusion composition here. This is 5 seconds and 5 seconds will be enough. So let's go to Fusion page. There's no input right now. We will need background and switch to red because usually the background is red. And let me see if corner radius I have here. So I will choose rectangle and then corner radius, something like this. And then if I reduce my height, I will get something which looks like subscribe button. Yeah, and let's connect media out. Okay, now I need the text. Subscribe. Let's just write subscribe. Hope I remember the spelling correctly. Yeah, this is fine. Instead of 0.8, let's go to 0.9. Yeah, this is fine. Now we have to look for some animations. What can happen? This can come like this, or even this. I think this is better. So let's play with the width. So we have around 150 frames. In frame 1, let's say the width is 0, and in half a second, that will be 15 frames. It has to come to 1, but just forgot to keyframe here, and then come to 15, and then just 0.5. Better to type. Okay, so yeah, this is fine. Just look at this node. Yeah, this looks okay. We'll set some splines. This looks better. But I want this even slower. Let's see. Yeah. And what if I just make this faster in the beginning and then slower in the end? Yeah. Definitely this looks better. So this is it, and then text. So once we are here, let's say frame 5, I want the text to start appearing from here. And let's just zoom in and out. Can we play with size? Yes, we can. 0.09 is file size, but at frame 5, we'll keyframe this and let's say 0. And let's add another 12 frames, 15 frames, half a second. So frame 20, 0.09. Yeah, and this should work. Okay, so the subscribe animation is very slow. So instead of 15 frames, I'll go with maybe 8 or just 10, 5 to 15. And to adjust that, go to keyframes, text size, just place this. Yeah, this looks fine. Instead of 15, I'll go to 12. Yeah, this is better, but what we need is to start slow and end fast, maybe just the opposite of what is happening with the shape. So let's go to splines and just the text size, and select F to flatten, and this one okay, first. Okay, let's see how it looks. Yes. Okay, so this is what I wanted, but not so dramatic. So to make it less dramatic, let's change this somewhere here, and this is something. This will be fine. Yeah, this is okay. This looks fine. If I go back here, subscribe. Okay, so this was easy. And I did not save. Let's say subs animation test and save. Okay, so the stream was just to test how things go, because I don't have a lot of support to monitor and chat. So once this stream finishes, only then I will be able to analyze it. This looks okay. Should I make the exit also? Okay, let's make the exit also. So how will this exit? Okay. Okay, let's play with the shape first and see what we have. Fade. No. Sorry. This. Where is the size? Okay. Yeah, just trying to figure out transform. So if I plug this in, this can or even this can go up and down and can fly anywhere. Okay, let's do this 135 and XY and size. Oh, I don't need size. Size is fine, and by 149, let it go this way. Simple. A little more. Yeah, but this does not make sense because it appeared zooming in, it goes zooming out, then that will make sense, but it will be overwhelming. So let's just zoom out. Let's keep this very simple. Done. But Okay. Let's synchronize this a little bit. Okay. Okay, so start slow and simple. Just this. F to flatten. Start slow. End quick. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. The beginning is not synced, I guess. Yeah. The animation is fine, but let's sync this a little bit. Keyframes. So we just want the rectangle and the text. So these two things. Width and text size. So even after this is expanding, right? So let's drag it here and see if it works. Okay, I will have to spline here a little bit because what is happening is this is almost 0 and I want some value here, so maybe this will make sense now. Just control and drag your mouse and just loop. Start is very slow. So let's do this. Try something like a reverse S. No, not required. This will be fine. Okay, so the text animation starts at frame 5, and if I can put this up, frame 5, level is 1, fun, level is 0, so I'll get a subtle fade. Yeah. Okay, not interesting, but it's okay. Okay, so this was just a test stream, as I already mentioned. And this wasn't a tutorial. I was just trying to make something.